How to make a fox. For this activity, you will need a glue stick, scissors, a pencil, a black pen, A6 white paper, A4 red card, and A4 white paper. Step 1. Fold your A4 card in half along the short edge and cut it. Step 2. Curve the top two corners of the red card with pencil and cut along the pencil lines. Step 3. Fold one of the A5 cards along the short edge and the long edge. Step 4. Using a pencil, draw two semicircles on top of the long edged crease as shown in the demonstration. Step 5. Draw lines to the bottom of the card from the semicircles and cut along the pencil lines. Step 6. Cut along the middle crease on the outside blocks. Step 7. Using a pencil, draw a circle that is as long as half your index finger on the A6 white paper. Step 8. Colour it in with a black pen and cut it out. Step 9. Stick the circle to the bottom of the middle block. Step 10. Using the other red A5 card, use a pencil to go over your hand twice. Then, cut them both out. Step 11. Stick them behind the mask so they look like ears. Step 12. Draw two leaf shapes the height of your index finger on the white A6 paper. Then, cut them out. Step 13. Stick them on top of the ears. Step 14. Roll the A5 white paper up so that it is like a stick. Then, seal the paper with glue and stick it along the whole mask. Here is our finished product. The fox was demonstrated by Rachel Lamb. The video created and edited by Victor Lamb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.